Leah, what day is it?
It's Friday.
Yeah, and what other day is it?
It's Friday.
Who are you hanging out with today?
Daddy.
So it's Daddy Day?
Yeah.
Yeah. Jovi, what do you think about Daddy Day? You ready to get out?
Yeah.
All right, so today is Daddy Day.
Yeah.
Joy is at, where's Mommy at?
I did the gardening class.
She's taking the master gardening class. And so I get to hang out with the babies. And I figured when I'm 48 years old, I'm not gonna wanna see videos of me fixing a bus. I wanna see my cute kids. So we're gonna record Daddy Day today.
Yeah.
What are we doing?
Can I do that?
Yeah, but what are we gonna do today?
We're gonna do pie.
We're gonna make a pie?
Yeah.
What kind of pie is it?
It's blueberries.
All right. Have you ever made a pie before?
Yeah.
Yep.
No.
No? Yeah, me neither. So we'll just figure it out as we go. And Jovi, are you gonna help?
No.
Probably not. Let's do this.
Dad, how do you push it?
Huh?
How?
You just turn it. Oh, that thing? Yeah, that's the joystick. It turns it up and down. I forgot about that.
Is this?
We'll play with it more later.
Third.
Yeah. Leah, what's the first thing we need to do?
But we need to do recipe
Where do we find the recipe?
on Mommy's phone.
Okay, we'll find her iPad.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah. I got it.
Got Mommy's iPad?
Yeah.
All right.
Daddy.
Do I have an apron too?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Uh,
Is this it?
no.
Oh, that's a rag. I'll find mine if I can.
Yeah.
Blue, no, not pancake. Blueberry.
Berry pie.
Are you just looking at yourself in the camera?
Yeah.
Okay. Blueberry pie recipe.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Does that one look good?
Yeah, no. That's a little one.
We want a big pie.
Yeah.
Should we try to do the cross hatches on the top?
Yeah. Should.
That seems hard.
Yeah. I think that'll be a long time.
Allrecipes.com. That seems good. So we need sugar,
Yeah.
cornstarch, salt, cinnamon, blueberries,
Yeah.
pie crust, butter. You ready?
Yeah.
So we gotta go find all those things.
Yeah.
Sugar. What's that? We got our flour,
Yeah.
our sugar, salt, and cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
And we need cornstarch, but I don't know. So let's dump all of these blueberries right here.
Oh, all you do is a lot of them?
Yeah, dump them into there. Dump 'em in. Nice job, buddy.
Got a lot of blueberries.
Okay. You dropped your banana?
That's gross. That is gross.
Okay, so we need 6 cups of fresh blueberries. You just dump those. Well, let's do this. Nice. Whoa!
Then it's been straight in the bowl.
A little bit of extra sugar. Scoop it. Nice. Bloop. This one wants lemon zest. I'm not a fan of lemon zest. Where's your banana? Oh, there it is. Alright, mix it up, and then we're gonna dump the berries in it too. Oh yeah.
Blueberry.
Nice. Good. And then stir it up.
Stir it up.
Yeah.
it done?
Does it look good? Okay. Now what we need, you can actually use your hands so that get your hands in there. Go like get underneath them and go like this. Nice.
Do you need all of them fluffy?
They look pretty good and fluffy, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
good.
all of them fluffy.
Yep. You got them all. They're all covered in sugar. Lick your fingers. I bet that tastes good. Is that yummy? Okay, so now we need to make some pie crust. And then we're going to put it in a pie pan. And then we'll whip it up. So, what it says. So you need to get a whole cup of this. Oh my goodness. That's a big chunk. Cup was a little small and your quarter cup was a little big. So then we and then put it in the water. I'll cut that one out. Nice. Nice. Nice work. Can you dump that water in here? Nice. Can you go see where Joey went? You probably should look at this one. What's Joey doing?
Yeah.
There it is. Alright, so we got our ball of, what's this called? Pie crust. And you're supposed to wrap it for 4 hours in plastic. We don't got 4 hours, so we're gonna wrap it for a little bit while we play some Marble Duck. Alright, what's the plan here?
We're gonna do a triangle.
Uh-oh. Pretty good marble run, Leo. Is it pretty good?
Dad, what's that?
For colors.
Yeah.
What's for lunch today?
Yes.
What is it?
Blueberries.
And what else?
Blueberries.
What are the blueberries in?
In the pie.
No, you're not eating a pie. What is this?
Yogurt.
Yogurt, blueberries, and grainy stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think, Joby? Is lunch good? High quality berries in your yogurt? I think so. She stopped screaming, so I think we're good. That's you. That baby's you. Do you know that? Yeah. Hi. Hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
Who's that baby? That's you. You're a silly Willy, Joby. Oh, and she wants more yogurt.
Look at this. Nesta.
Mushy?
It's not mushy.
But is it cold?
It is cold.
Okay. So I think we're gonna roll it out with a rolling pin. Flat.
Is that good, Dad?
He's a little bit flatter, I think.
Super flat.
Yeah, I also put a little bit sticky on it.
Dad, is that good? That should be a good pie, Dad. That should be a good pie.
I think so too. Got it. Lift it. Booyah! Nice job. Oh my goodness, that looks so good.
Nah, that's not funny.
They're not really long enough, but you could line them up, I think. So like do one over all the blueberries.
It's blueberries?
Nice. We made it ourselves, huh?
Yeah.
Can you tell?
Yeah.
So now all we gotta do is stick it in the oven. Perfect. Do you want to come help me take it out?
Yeah, I do. Let's eat it up.
We have to let it cool down first. This thing?
Is that not?
I think it's good. Don't touch.
Okay, get ice cream.
Where are we going now, buddy?
We're going to Mama.
We're gonna bring her some pie?
Yeah.
All right.
And then we eat all together.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah.
Is it a good pie?
You gonna fix the car, Leo?
I need this on record if it's a good pie or not.
Leo, tell Daddy's camera if it's a good pie.
Is it a good pie?
Is it?
Yeah.
What do you think, Mama?
Sweet, good.
She liked the pie.
Yeah.
We made a good pie.
Yeah.
Nice work. High five. Successful Daddy Day, would you say?
Daddy Day.
Successful Daddy Day. Let's show him the pie. Pie was a little wet because we didn't have our cornstarch. But it was super good, right?
Yeah.
Super, super good.
Yeah.